I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with you girls. I feel like y'all don't need love. You need somebody who could micromanage you, you know what I'm saying? Tell you right from wrong, who's smart from who's a fool, which utensil to use for which food. Like, I got a schedule to attend to though. I can't really.
Damn, these niggas got me so twisted. How the fuck you so real, but baby, bitch on my line, I can feel what you spinning. Not too much pride to let no burn it, cause sign me out, pull up, go right about mine. I got time, let's discuss all those lies about fighting out here like you digging me out, and I ain't even coming, I'm in and out, and you ain't about the shit you rapping about, and I can spend the whole wearing it down. I'm going on like a sort of. You tell these hoes you ain't cuddling, but with me you know, doing all that shit. You telling these hoes you ain't tricking off, but with me you know, I'm gon' get it all. How you niggas get so carried away, tripping when that dick is barely third place. Fucked out of pity, it's cute that you lame. Damn, cause it's mad I can fake like it's hang. You slime me, yo out. You slime me, yo out. You slime me, yo out. Oh, oh, oh,
Yeah. January, you pretend to see life clearly, yearly. February is the time that you put the evil eye and the pride aside for the fantasy of getting married. Very scary. March got you already second guessing titles. April, spring's here just like a spring start to spiral. May brings some warmer days. Poolside getting very tan. June, hey, you moving ice cold, going back and forth with a married man. July, that's when I found out. July, August, it was baby this, baby that, like yeah, your tools tied. September, we falling off, but I'm still the main trying to win over. October is all about me, cause your time should've been over. November got your mood board, and for next year, you're single. December, the gift giving month, and now you wanna rekindle. Tryna build trust, showing me a deed, and that's how they tryna bag you. Ironic how the news I got about you ended up being bad news. Get a nigga hit for 50 racks, girl, the beef cost like it's wagyu. Get a nigga hit, I make his ass see the light like a half moon. Shot the QC, pretty sure I made PMs like it's past noon. All I really know is W's and M's, life looking like a bathroom. All I really know is damn bags like I drove through and ordered fast food. Saying I'm too guarded with my feelings, who the fuck even asked you? 7 bodyguards just in case somebody really wanna try and crash through. Don't know why I listen to you when I hear you talking to me in some half truth. If I don't pay rent, it end up like a old hairstyle, girl, it's past due. If I don't...
I'll get sorry to start all over again. You know we love, you know you just can't win.
People keep asking if I'm back, and I haven't really had an answer. But now, yeah, I'm thinking I'm back.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds gluing to the slides in both ears. Dice falling on the lawn. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM, look.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Lex. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So y'all, in this vlog, I am going to show you guys what I've been doing all weekend, and that is redoing the kids' bedrooms. And y'all, it's so tiring. Casey's grandparents, I love y'all. They literally got everything from the bed. They got her a 50-inch TV. And they got everything, literally everything. She's so spoiled. But yeah, I'm redoing their rooms, out with the old and in with the new. And it has been really hard. But I'm going to show you guys what I did with Casey's room first. And then I'm going to show you guys the Tony's room. But it was so hard to find a white dresser. We went to Big Lots, Walmart. But we did find it in Target, of course. And yeah. And you guys, do y'all like my hair? So I originally got a side part wig, and for some reason, I don't know if it was either too small or it just wasn't, I don't know what it was, but it wouldn't fit on my head. Like the part, when I put it on, it literally was like this. And I'm like, I might as well make it a middle part, but it's so pretty. It's a closure wig. And I just cut it up a little. So yeah, new hair. But stay tuned, you guys.
Remember that last time I made you miss your damn plane? Remember that last time I wet your down with champagne? Remember that? And I know I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Girl, it's only you for me. No lie, I'm trying, but they offer. They're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're mine, baby, when you ain't with me, you feel alone. And I was wondering if you always know. It don't have to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. Took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight, straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna. Bouncing off and I'm trying to weep an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water glass. See cars out, got me beat by Verona. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. Kill his whole family, they run off with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Fuck his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we'll ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole thing. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight to military. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Shot trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a band while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my loo with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, loo with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Herman's and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cabin like a narco.
So it is currently 10:04 and we just finished putting up her clothes. Everything is together except for her bookshelf, but it came together so perfect. And y'all, she slept in her room for the first time last night and it just made me so happy. But I'm trying to decide if I want to do Tony's room tonight or if I want to just wait until the morning. But I know if I start tonight, I'm gonna want to go ahead and get it done with. But I'm super like happy with how everything came together, and I don't know, y'all.
Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This in between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
In the trenches, relax. Can you not feel that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rap. We in Atlanta, how about her week? You telling me say it's the best. Pointing the nigga who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you gon' get stripped. Bring Drake to the hood. Surround Drake, around Drake. Even though I got the cake, I'ma do what it takes.
And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about the bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Now that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they want dead it. Party still bleeding, my niggas still eat it. Like yo, they look like the garden, they eat it. Pillow talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib.
Hi you guys, it is finally Sunday. Thank God. Everything is done. Everything is perfect. It looks nice. Casey is happy. Detoni haven't seen his room yet. He will be here sometime later. But yeah, I'm super excited for him to see his room. And yeah, this was a really long process. Like the next time I redo the room, it's probably gonna be when we're moving, because this was so draining. Like I had a cup of wine in my hand literally all weekend, but it was well worth it. And I'm just happy that I can make the kids happy. It makes me happy to see them happy. But yeah, right now I'm about to head to Wilson for a Sunday dinner. And I just want to thank you guys for tuning in, watching, always supporting. And I hope you guys have an awesome and blessed Sunday.